Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to give you a walkthrough of my digital kit, which is called my Very Vintage Christmas. So by the name, you can see that it is a very vintage theme. So it's not extremely vibrant colors in it. But they are beautiful, very vintage images. When I saw the images, I fell in love with it and I knew I had to make a kit out of it. It is a 30-page kit, okay, and it has 10 main pages. I've got two that are writing pages, and then it's got 8 background pages and 12 ephemera pages. So huge kit as usual, and let's take a look. Okay, so here's number one. Now, someone asked me on my Facebook whether I will be doing videos on this kit. I will, but I think you know by now that I don't do a lot of videos on a kit. Okay, so that's two. But my design team members will be doing videos on their channel, so I will. But they post on my Facebook group, so you can get it from there. The links to their videos. That's number three. And me as well. I will be posting, and definitely Friday freebie this week will be based on this year. Three. That's four, I think. And that's number five. I love this page. Okay, it is looking lighter than it is because of my lighting. And there's the next page here. It is a beautiful, beautiful kit. And what I was drawn to towards this kit was the fact that the images were not the standard beautiful, bold, vibrant green and red images. They were more muted. They are vintage after all. So a place to write your Christmas cookie recipe over there. Okay, and going to an ugly sweater party. Okay, which is Santa's nice list? Do you fall under it or not? And what is your wish list for Santa? And are you gonna lie or not? Have you been good all the time, most of the time, or naughty but nice? I think I have been, I don't know, naughty but nice. And then more space for your grandma's gingerbread cookie recipe if you have one, and your Christmas pudding recipe. But I mean, you don't have to use it the way it is. Okay, there's a beautiful image that I have over here. Okay, there's a lot of bubbles. I put a lot of bubbles as my background. Here's some kind of like Christmas baubles and lanterns, and it is on a music background. I did the same thing here, but I changed it to go with some of the pages like a more brownish theme. You know, you have to have your plaid. You have to have it. Here is my laptop. My printer going weird on me. So just kept it to 2 plaid this year. More beautiful bubbles on vintage paper. On music paper. And I do believe that is our risen. Okay, so some bows over here. Okay, and the last one, some holly and bows over here as well. Okay, so those were your background pages. Then your pages for your ephemera. As usual, you've got your journaling cards, but they can be used as pockets. They can be used as flips. I think I've demonstrated to you that you don't use it as it is. Okay, so there's 4. There is 2 portrait and 2 landscape. Your big journal tags, I'm a lover of those. You can print them 2 to a page if you don't want them so large. On my standard pockets over here. You know how I love envelopes, so there's your 2 envelopes, just different patterns. Okay, well, did I miss one here? Oh, these pages are so thick. This is on 160 GSM. Your file folder, another tag, some labels, and this can be layered, for example, on that if you want to. Now this was my printer. I told you it wasn't accepting 160 GSM so nicely, but that is probably as much as I would have printed anyway there. So there's some tags there. This is a belly band. You can use it as a belly band, a side tuck, or a nice big long tag. And then your two like tuck spots. Loving these over here. They are just little journal inserts, so you can put them stick them onto your page and they become journal spots. And your 3 tickets, your 2 postcards here, and another tag there, another envelope. So I think 4 envelopes all in all, but they're all different. Okay, and some little tags there, some nice journal cards over here that I've added, some fussy cuts. I know you ladies like fussy cuts, so I included a bit of fussy cuts in it. Okay, and then last but not least, some words with 2 little, you can put them as little tucks, or you can do a lot with it. And if you look at my words, if you bought my kit last year, some of the words are the same, some of them I tried to mix them up, but there's some that just speak Christmas. And the reason I had to do that is because not everyone bought the kit last year. Okay, so I tried, maybe there's 10% or so of what was last year, but I don't think more than that. If there is, my apologies. Okay, that's it. So I do hope that you like the kit. And you can purchase it on my Ko-fi store or my Etsy store. They are 25% off. On the Ko-fi, all my kits are 25% off up until, I believe, the 1st of January. On my Etsy store, I'm limited to the time period I have to put the kit on special, and I think it is up until the 1st of December, if I'm not mistaken, or 2nd or 3rd of December, but then I'll try to go in and add, extend the sale till the 1st of January. The other thing is that on the Ko-fi, you will get freebies for this, and you will also get the PDF as well as the zipped JPEG version of it. So you can choose where to buy it from. And I want to just thank everybody that has already bought my kit. A huge thank you to you, and I hope that you have lots of fun making your Christmas journal with this kit. And from me, have a blessed week. Bye-bye, and I'll see you again.